Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be doing this video, guys, because this is a video that has been requested for a very long time. All of you glamorous glam babes have been requesting me and begging me to do a video transforming myself into the glamorous and gorgeous Felicia Taylor. So I'm super excited to be doing this video, guys. I haven't actually done any transformation videos in my channel so far, so why not do it now and please you guys all. And just to give you a quick heads up, this is going to be a very different video just because it does take a really long time to get into full drag. I will be speeding through most of the video, but I will be putting descriptions at the bottom part of every step that I'm doing in my makeup so that you guys are not lost and so that you guys see what I'm doing. So, if you guys are excited to see someone come to life and you guys want to see myself transform from this to this. So if you guys want to see the full-on transformation on how I become this gorgeous and beautiful, talented young lady, then keep on watching. But before we go on, don't forget, guys, the most important part about this entire universe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, don't forget to click that little notification bell button so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so the first step that we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be covering all the parts of our face that we don't want, hence eyebrows and sideburns. We want to open up our face a little bit more so that we have a little bit more space to work with, and it just gives you the opportunity to modify, quote unquote, your features and exaggerate them a little bit. So let's do this. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. No, I'm just kidding. So this is what you guys look like once you guys fully covered your eyebrows and your sideburns. So we're starting to get ready for the next step. So before I jumped on and did the other part, I wanted to show you just like a little tip. Not everybody does it, but it is highly recommended, and a lot of drag queens do this. You guys can do color correction on your face, especially if you have a darker beard or your sideburns, your eyebrows. You can do color correction. And you can use the darker shade here, the red shade here to sort of like block out your eyebrows, your beard, and your sideburns. But then right away, make sure that you guys cover it with powder so that it's not transferring onto your foundation. So we're just gonna grab a stippling brush. We're just gonna grab a little bit of product of the red one, and we're just gonna sort of stipple it and then circle it. Because again, we don't want it too intense. This is just to correct the hyperpigmentation of your brows, and this sort of cancels out all the tones that you don't want.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
Okay guys, so now that the eyebrows are finally done, they do not need to be twins, they are sisters, remember that. But now that you guys finished doing your eyebrows, now you can finally move on to your eyes, which is the most complicated part of drag makeup. So bear with me here, guys. Make sure you guys don't let go of your drink and your snack.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go.
Okay, you guys, so now that we've finished putting on our eyeliner, blending our shadows, now we're just going to do some fine tuning here and there. We're going to add a little bit of a pigment, but a very light, more of a highlighter, but we're going to use it as an eyeshadow right in the center of our crease so that it gives us a little bit of a pop, and it just makes your eyes look a lot more in your face. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the face. Okay, you guys, so now that we've finished doing the detailing in our eyes, now we're gonna go ahead and put our primer, and we will be using this one by NYX, which is the NYX Pore Filler. It acts as a pore filler, of course, but it also does a really good job at priming my face for this mug.
I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home to.
Okay, you guys, so we are almost done with this look, and oh my god, this is probably one of the longest looks that I've ever done. So I apologize, guys, for this video being so long, but I bet you guys haven't seen this type of transformation in a while. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna pop on some lashes, put my wig on, put a shirt on, and then we're gonna call this a day. So I hope that you guys are excited for this just as I am. So if you guys want to see the final look, then keep on watching. We're almost done. All right, you guys, so this is it. What do you guys think? Behold, the one and only, the gorgeous, the talented, the amazing, and the beautiful Felicia Taylor. Oh my goodness, she was put in the closet for a very long time. This girl had to come out. So this was a really, really fun experience, guys. I have never actually recorded the process of getting ready and becoming Felicia Taylor, so this is pretty cool for me. And I'm also pretty excited to be able to share that experience with you guys. So a lot of you requested this look. You guys wanted Felicia Taylor to come out. You guys wanted an update on her. Well, there you go. She's just as gorgeous as she's always been. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what other videos or what other things you guys would like me to do in my channel. I am an open ear. I'm an open book. I am definitely interested in hearing what you guys think. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I apologize if a lot of the parts in this video were not really explained as well as you would have liked me to, but I wanted to make sure that this video was more like see me get it ready in the process, not so much like this is how I do it, learn how to do it. I am showing you a little bit about the process, but some pieces may have not been explained. But there will be many more videos to come, and I will be explaining in more detail how I do my routine, what I do to get ready, and how I become Felicia Taylor. But here you guys got a very good overview of how I do it, how I become this gorgeous person. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, boyfriends, uncles, sisters, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. I love you guys so much. Felicia Taylor will wish you an amazing day, and I will see you at the next video. Mwah.